Good morning. Here we are. The remodel project been working on for more than a few weeks. Been a lot more involved than we thought it would be. House was a wreck. This door didn't open. The main front door did not open when we got here. Had some issues. Resolved those. Got a few little details left to do today. We got trim up. Everything's painted white. It'll be a nice rental. Got this really beautiful laminate rubberized vinyl flooring. Great stuff. This room here was added on at some point in the past. New lighting. It's the only hardwood floor in the house. It's been redone. It's been restained to match this laminate here. We have left is a coat of shellac on it, lacquer. And then a transition strip here, which is waiting. And then new heating ductwork was added. We had to box that in to cover it. The furnace has a filter box there. We have a dining room here with a new light, nicely trimmed. Windows, central air unit outside that was added. Neighbor, new pad out there, trim piece up there that still needs painted, heat duct, a little caulking left to do. There, some final cleanup, touch up today. The kitchen has been extensively remodeled. This roof was sagged about 6 inches in the middle, right above the window. They framed in a new window around the sagged roof. We've corrected that. Did an entirely new wall here. That was a fun adventure. There's a huge backyard, which was great. We added some new cabinets, canister lighting, and then good used fridge, kitchen sink in the cabinet there, over the cabinet lighting, heat duct is there still. And like I said, we've got access to the other rooms. It's kind of a tiny kitchen, an older homestead house that's been added on to a couple of times. Got what we consider a master bedroom here. Goes in here, front yard is there. We changed the attic access around. Attic access was in the bathroom in a tiny little hole. We made a good sized hole there for most people to fit through. New lighting everywhere. Got the furnace access ducted in, closed in tight. Got a master closet here. Added some shelving, new lighting, access to the main water shutoff is here, main sewer vent is there, and the window in the closet was someone's design. We have utility room outside the kitchen here, has hot water heater, dryer duct, separate light, pull chain style over the washer and dryer. Main electric panel, rear entry door. Backing up so you can see that. It was existing. We did a tile floor in the bathroom. A neat little bathroom vanity stand and sink. Just a basic medicine cabinet over the cabinet lighting, ducting, incorporated ceiling fan and light. Very quiet. Tiled in a shower here with a cubby hole. Showers there. Toilet, brand new toilet, American Standard. We have a little more cleanup to do on the floor. That leaves us only one window to do next spring. Of course, the windows have been changed out. So a little more cleanup today and we'll be all done with this project. It's been a long one. A lot more involved than we expected. Ended up doing a lot of rewiring, a lot of replumbing, and a lot more walls than we thought. And we ended up doing subfloor and hire subfloor out in the utility room. It was, there was no foundation at all, just dirt and wood. So there you go. That's kept me busy and my daughter busy most of the summer and fall.